Now that you've seen the structure of an XHTML document, you might be thinking to yourself, I don't want to have to type all that stuff every time I do a web page. Well, that's why there are templates. If you received the examples with this course, you probably also received a folder called Templates. Copy that to your desktop, or again to the same place where you have your examples folder. And just like you did with the examples folder, go ahead in and make sure that the read only is unchecked and that is applied to all the files inside the templates folder as well. Open the templates folder and you'll find 3 documents. And just go ahead and load these into your editor. I'll load them into TextPad. And take a look first at the one called strict. That's strict XHTML template.html. This is a template for the strict document type. What I do every time I do a project is I'll set up a set of template files that have all the common things that are going to be on all the files that I'm using for that project. And I'll use those every time I need a new document. I'll simply open one of those, and then in my text editor, I'll select Save As, and save it with another file name before I continue, and then go ahead and make my modifications inside the document. And I'll have my new document without having to type all of this stuff every time. Now here's some example templates. This one is for the strict document type that, again, I don't use very often, and you probably won't use very often either unless you're in a very controlled environment. This is the transitional document type, which is, in my mind, much more useful, and it's got the basic things that I tend to put in every document that I'll use that transitional document type for. And then here's a frame set template. Again, this is basically the same as the frame set example that we looked at before. It's got a few other things. It also has a no frames section, which you'll learn about in more detail in the frames lesson in this course. So it's just very quick and easy, like using templates is very quick and easy. This is what you do. You can even take these templates and simply modify them for your own use and save them away for every project that you do. Keep a few generic ones around for every time you want to just put up a quick web page. And voila, you're using well-formed XHTML without all the bother.